Another day here in Brunei, and it's already afternoon. We are now going on a boat tour. Hope we see some monkeys and also some crocodiles. This is our driver or captain, Indera. Nice to meet you, Indera.
Hi,
Siga, are you ready? Okay, we are on the way. We are sailing past another water village now. Hi! Thank you.
Okay,
see you later.
Yes. See you.
There's some stray cats here. The main night market is a little bit further in this building here. A lot of people already. Big night market. Now we just need to find some food. Here we have some prawn, fish with rice. A lot of stuff here. Some noodles with beef, I think. Hi. First we're gonna scan the area and see what we like. Oh, here we have some grilled meat and fish. A lot of types of spring rolls. Some deep fried stuff here. Oh, deep fried durian. Interesting. This smells really good. So much smoke here. So guys, I'm gonna try the hati puya, which are beef lungs. This is it. Can I have one hati puya and 2 barbecue cheese tofu? This is a traditional dish, yeah?
Yes, always.
Thank you.
Try now?
Yes. Let's try the beef lungs or hati puya. This is really good. The meat is so tender. And they also have some spicy sauce on it. Just a nice piece of meat. Really good. This one I like. Let's try some more stuff. Can we have one of each?
Yeah, this one $1 4 pieces, this one $1 3 pieces.
Ah, okay.
And then if you want one for $1, one each, I can give you.
Okay.
Can I give you 2 of this?
Sure.
This one is tapioca.
Yeah.
This one only available in like Asian country, somewhere in your equatorial country, equatorial area.
Okay.
Never mind. I give you the best I can.
Thank you. How much is it total?
$1 already.
$1. So this one is what?
Tapioca.
Tapioca.
Yeah.
And this one?
This one is yam. This one is sweet potato.
Sweet potato. Okay.
Yeah.
Okay, we'll try it.
Okay, you better try it. It's
Thank
very
you.
nice.
Lemon mix.
We're also gonna have a juice. Sika is thirsty. It's okay, it could be a little bit colder, but the taste is good. Let's try this stuff I bought. I honestly have no idea what I'm eating. The only thing I know is that one of the things were sweet potatoes. It's okay. Interesting. And then this one. I ate all of these deep fried thingies. It was just okay. Hello. What is the best you have? John Special is good? Or Ayan?
Ayan already finished, only this left.
Okay, then we try John Special. One here. $3.50, right?
Yeah.
Thank you. Next thing we're gonna try. This is really good. Some curry taste. I don't know what kind of meat this is, but I think beef. Yeah, there's curry taste, right?
Quite strong.
Quite strong, yeah. It's a little bit spicy, but I really like it. I think some mayonnaise as well. Delicious. Can I have one of the, like this?
One?
One, yeah. Looks really good. Is this beef? Beef?
Beef.
Yeah, okay. Perfect.
One burger, $5.50.
$5.50, okay. So many people here in the night market. This is mine?
Yeah,
Mayonnaise?
mayonnaise.
Okay. Nice. Egg, beef, and what is this?
Minced beef.
Minced beef.
Yeah.
Wow. This looks awesome. And then some cheese on top. Yummy.
We use homemade barbecue sauce BBQ.
Everything homemade. Wow. That's what I like. How do you say? Terima kasih.
Sama-sama.
Sama-sama. See you guys. Thank you. Okay, now we have our burger. Let's try it. Here's the burger again. Let's try the homemade burger. Yeah, it's good. Like it. So guys, we tried some delicious food here at the night market and we are so full. It's time to end this video blog. Thank you so much for watching and see you in the next adventure.